Courtney was nice enough to hook us up with this little scooter to get me around the show, which is awesome, except we can't figure out how to use it. As you can see, it has the little turtle setting and the little rabbit setting. I think I will stay in turtle setting, and hopefully I won't hurt anybody or myself driving this thing around. Look, I have a horn.
Put it on the bunny mode now. She's testing it.
Okay, I have to back it up. Wait, ah! Oh my God. Am I in?
You're in. Come on. Oh my God.
Okay, I think but look, the headlights are on.
How are you going to get out?
I don't know. I can't drive a real car. They put me in one of these.
I wish you luck.
Thank you.
Just stay away, I think is what.
Yeah, you better go out first.
Absolutely. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Oh, we got the door open. Go. Look at that maneuvering. Oh! It's close.
Okay, wait. Okay. So today's the last day of the show, and I've gotten a little bit used to riding around in my little go-kart here. But I just wanted to show you how the girls have decided to decorate it for me with some dice. And don't ask me why, what they think I would be putting in a little Las Vegas flask. But I thought it was sweet of them.